Hi everyone and welcome back. We are talking about widgets, and in this particular video I am going to be using the text widget. So again, I've got this page set up. It's got a spacer at the top, spacer at the bottom, so we can actually see what's going on. Different colors so it stands out from the white, and I've put a box around the column so you can see where I'm actually placing the content. So on the left hand side we click on add widget, and then we click and hold on text and drag it to the actual box. And what that does is set you up with an initial text box. Now, if you've already set your global styling, this will have taken on the global styling within your system, your website, your funnel, to match whatever you've put. So you may have a different font, a different size of font, and different typing, etc. Now, if you've already watched the header video, everything is pretty much the same except for one main thing. Well, there's actually two, but we'll go with the one for now. On the styling, you now get to choose additional styling like normal, quote, code, and then the 6 headers that we had on the header. So let's it's already on normal, so let's go with quote. What that does is puts a line in front of it and turns it into a kind of quote box. Okay, so if you've got a quote from somebody else, somebody famous, or even yourself that you want to actually highlight in your text box, you can actually add the quote. I always use Control Z to undo something I've done. Doesn't work with absolutely everything, but it works with this. And then you've also got the code, which blocks it out. Okay, not something I've used a lot of, but if that's how you want to look, how you want certain parts of your page to look, you can certainly use that. And I think it's a great way sometimes to highlight certain sentences. So that's it for there. We've got the bold. We've also got, if you click on the U that's underlined, we've got italics, underlined, strikeout, superscript, and subscript. You can change the font to any one of the fonts that you've authorized or put into the system to use. You've got the font size everywhere from 8 to 108. You've got the line height, which changes the gap between the sentences. So you can see here we've got a gap. If we actually put that to 3, it would increase the gap. What I've done on the research I've done for text on a website, 1.6 is kind of the best easily readable spacing that you want. They actually recommend that font size should be 16 or 18 at a minimum, so try to avoid the small font, maybe except in some of your terms and conditions that you may want to put on the bottom of the page. While we're in here, we can change the text color. So we can, right now it'll be set at black. We can choose a blue color, make it a little bit different color there. You can also highlight the whole text with a background color, so we can highlight it with, let's choose a orange color, right? So what we've done is highlighted it orange, changed the color. I'm going to undo both of those so you can actually see. In fact, what I did is I undid it too far. Let's bring it back. Oh, while we're here, undo and redo. All right, there's undo, there's redo. A great way to bring back mistakes that you may have made while you're doing your pages. So you can change the color of the text, the background color. You can actually change it into a list. So we've got bullets, we've got numbered lists, which are great for giving people a list of benefits or a list of features. There's another widget we can use with this, but I'll just say this is sometimes when you want a quick and easy list. It's a great way to do it. Then we got the alignment. We got line left, center, and right, full justify, indent left, and indent right. So you can actually change the spacing and how the text is actually lined up. So let's get rid of the numbering there. So when you actually do a numbering or a bullet, if you click on it once, it adds it. If you click on it again, it takes it away. You can actually add a link to the whole line of text or individual words or letters within the text. I'm not going to show this in this video because I've got a separate video for selecting a link with everything that we've got in the system. You can multiple ways to actually add links to anything on the pages. You can actually insert a picture. And I found that sometimes this worked very well, sometimes it doesn't. It just depends on how the picture is set and whether you've actually got a reasonably sized picture to add in the text. I found the best way sometimes to add pictures is to actually drag them outside of the text, and then you can actually lay out the picture in the text the way you want. But it is there should you want to build your images in with your text. You can remove any styling that you've added with the editing. And finally, we've got the AI. Now, for the AI to work, I mean, I'm sure it probably knows Latin, but let's type something interesting in this box and see what the AI will do this time. Learn how to use the text widget in the content for coaches platform. Okay, so I have no idea what AI is going to do with this, and I can't ask for your opinion on what to choose, but what we got AI is we can actually improve that, and when we improve it, it will take the sentence and change it to make it better based on the settings that you've chosen here. For example, professionally, friendly, relaxed, playful, excited, and assertive. It will expand it to make it longer, shorten it, obviously that makes it shorter, and then it will generate a paragraph. What we're going to do is we're going to expand it. I have no idea what it's going to come up with, but let's find out. So we click on expand with the AI content improver or the content AI content box using ChatGPT and OpenAI. It's going to expand it. It's going to be expand. Okay, the Content for Coaches platform is an excellent resource for coaches who wish to enhance the online presence of their coaching business. One of the most crucial features of the platform is the text widget, which enables coaches to create and edit textual content on their website. With the text widget, coaches can add text blocks, headings, and even links to their content, making their website more informative and user-friendly. Furthermore, the widget's simple design and easy-to-use interface make it an ideal tool for coaches who want to make updates to their website without the need for coding knowledge. The platform's step-by-step tutorials, which is one of them, I just added that. The tutorials guide uses users in mastering the text widget quickly, and coaches can have their websites up and running in no time. In conclusion, mastering the text widget is essential for coaches who want to take their online presence to the next level, and the Content for Coaches platform is the perfect place to learn how to do it. I'm going to end this video very shortly, but I am going to actually keep that description that it generated because I think it's absolutely amazing. There was a couple of spelling mistakes, not spelling mistakes, but a couple of words I'd probably tweak a little bit. But that's how AI works, and you can use it with every single text box you create. If you're uncomfortable creating descriptions and content for your products that you're selling or the descriptions on the website, try the AI tool. It is an amazing way to enhance the content with everything you do on Content for Coaches. That's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you on the next video.